Okay, this is going to be a talk for the contractors amongst us. Let's get into it. Okay, if you're letting your employees tell you how long things took on your project, you've already lost the battle. Let me tell you why. There's a law called Parkinson's Law, and that basically states that work expands to fit the time allotted for it. If there's no time limit, it's going to take however long it takes, unless you have a really good employee who just can't stand still. Okay, so here's what happens, and you know, I already know this has probably happened in your business. Your accounting department got all excited, because the payroll, the time coming in was never right. It wasn't correct. We need an app. So you got yourself some fancy app where your employees can just put their time in from the field. Okay, put an electronic perimeter around them, right? So they can't escape during the day or you're going to know about it. And they, clocks them digitally by time. So you know what time they log in, what time they log out, what time they take lunch, all of that, right? Really saving money now. Okay. And then you're having them report their time by cost code because you're going to send a bunch of valuable data off to your estimating department. Oh my God, we're going to fine tune these numbers, right? Except for one thing. Those employees don't care about those cost codes. They could work on 3 different tasks during the day and they're just going to write one task in 8 hours just like that. They're going to send you garbage. And everybody knows garbage in, garbage out. So you're going to send that garbage right off to your estimating department. And they're going to constantly be making adjustments. They're going to be chasing their tail, basically. It's going to be useless information for them. Okay? This is how it happens. What you need to be doing is you need to be telling your employees how much time they have to complete things and what they're going to work on every day. And they should be logging time against that because now you're holding them accountable. They have time limits. They're going to have a sense of urgency because if they don't complete on time, okay, they're going to be a bad person. They're going to be costing the company money. And everybody knows what happens to the worker that costs the company money, right? You're out of here. Okay? And then they're only going to be working on the tasks they're supposed to be working on. So they're going to be logging time against the proper tasks. And then your numbers that go off to the estimating department are going to be accurate. Numbers you can believe and numbers you can trust. Okay? So I don't care how fancy your accounting timekeeping system is and how many electronic fences it has and what the boundaries are, okay, you're not collecting good information for your estimating department, period.